Hi everybody, it's Mr. Dasig, and we're going to take the Fundations Unit 9 test today. Okay, you're going to need a pencil and your composition book. Okay, now you're going to use pages 92 and 93 in your composition book. How will you know? Well, first, you can see 92 on the bottom, and you can see 93 on the bottom also. But more importantly, it's going to say on the top, test for Unit 9, page 1, and test for Unit 9, page 2. Okay? Please don't use any other page in here for the test, and try not to use any other paper. Okay? Make sure you have this. It makes it a lot easier for me to score your work. Okay? Makes me not make any mistakes. All right. Now, today we're going to get 5 sounds, 5 words, 2 sentences. But today we're going to do things a little different. Remember that during Unit 9, we learned about marking syllables, marking a closed syllable, marking an open syllable. Okay? After you write the word, mark the syllable. Okay? Remember, you mark the syllable two things, okay? First, the number of syllables you hear in the word. That's the number of beats. So if you clap out the word, listen for the number of beats. Also, you're going to mark the vowel, okay? Remember the little symbol, the breathe, okay? Remember, the little smile for a short vowel, and the line, the straight line, for the long vowel. Okay. Remember, for all the words on this test, you have to do it, or else Mr. Dasig cannot give you credit for the whole word, even if you got the word right. Okay? So, I'm going to try one, or actually I'll do 2 of them with you, okay? Just for practice really fast. Okay? All right. Remember, you're not writing anything. The test has not started yet. Okay. Let's say one of your words is pet. Pet. I have a pet dog. Pet. 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 I'd write the word pet. Now, I have to figure out, is this an open syllable or is this a closed syllable? What kind of vowel do I have? Okay, I have to mark it up. All right. Closed syllable because it's got the consonant at the end. It's also got a short vowel. Now, how many syllables is it? Well, let's see. Pet. All right. I hear 1 beat. It's 1 syllable. I mark it like that. Okay. Pet. All right. You can also do the straight line too. That's fine. But pet. Okay. It's a closed syllable. Okay. Now, what kind of vowel do I hear? Eh. Oh, short vowel. So I mark it like that. Pet. Okay? Make sure you mark the word. All right. Let's say you heard this word. Let me get my eraser. Let's say you heard this word. The word is go. G-O. Go. Okay? All right. Go. Is it an open syllable or a closed syllable? Long vowel. Oh, yes, it is a open syllable. All right, now, how many syllables are in go? Let's see. Go. 1 syllable. Mark it. Okay. Remember, it's open. Okay. Now, go. The vowel is O. It's long, so the breathe is the straight line. Okay? Go. Now, you have to mark all the words, please. All right? Please don't forget. Okay. Let's get started on the test. Remember, it's 5 sounds, 5 words, 2 sentences. All right. Let's do it. Okay? Please have your paper ready. Okay? Have your pencil ready. Okay, remember, you can listen to the video and watch the video as many times as you need to so you don't miss anything. All right, sounds. Sound number 1. Okay, get ready to write. Write the 2 ways we can make this sound. Zzz. Zzz. Write the 2 ways we can make this sound. Zzz. Excellent. Remember, we learned 2 ways to make the zzz sound. Okay. Number 2. Write the way we make this sound. Ch. Write the way we make this sound. Ch. Okay? 2 letters come together to make this sound. Ch. Okay. Write that. 3. Write the letters that come together for this glued sound. Write the letters that come together to make this glued sound. Very good. All right, number 4. What letter makes this sound? Eh. What letter makes this sound? Eh. Good. Number 5. What letter makes this sound? Ah. What letter makes this sound? Ah. Very good. Now, our 5 sounds. Sound 1 is zzz. There's 2 ways to make zzz. Number 2, the digraph that makes ch. The digraph that makes ch. All right? Number 3, the glued sound. Okay? Number 4, the letter that makes this sound. Eh. The letter that makes this sound. Eh. Okay. Last one. Number 5, the letter that makes this sound. Ah. The letter that makes this sound. Ah. Very good. Those are your 5 sounds. Now, I'm going to give you your 5 words. Remember, you've got to mark them up. What kind of syllable is it? Is it open or is it closed? Okay? How many syllables do you hear when you clap out the word? Also, mark the vowel with the breathe. Okay? All right. There should be no problem because you've done this before. Plus, I just did it for you. Okay? All right, let's do it. Number 1, the word is test. Okay? We are taking a Fundations test. Test. Write the word and mark the syllable. Don't forget. Number 2, the word is drill. 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 The other day, we had a fire drill. Okay? Write the word, mark the syllable, and the vowel. Don't forget. All right. Number 3, the word is puffs. 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 The chimney at my house puffs smoke in the wintertime. Puffs. Okay? Don't forget to mark the syllable and mark the vowel. Okay? All right. Number 4, the word is lunch. Number 4, the word is lunch. L-a-n-ch. L-a-n-ch. Lunch. Most people eat lunch at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Lunch. All right? Don't forget to mark the syllable, Don't forget to mark the vowel. Lunch. All right. Last word. The word is plugs. The word is plugs. P-l-ugs. P-l-ugs. Plugs. Okay? I have 3 plugs in the wall for my computer, my phone, and the lamp. Okay? Plugs. Okay, remember, you're going to mark the syllable, you're going to mark the vowel. Plugs. Okay, let's hear those 5 words one more time. Number 1 was test. Number 2 was drill. Number 3 was puffs. Number 4 was lunch. Number 5 was plugs. Remember, mark the syllable. Mark the vowel with the right breathe. If it's a short breathe, if it's a short vowel, make sure you mark it with the right breathe. If it's a long vowel, make sure you mark it with the right breathe. Okay? All right. Sentences. Okay? You don't have to mark the syllables or the vowels here, but you do have to write the sentence the right way. Okay? Make sure the sentence starts with an uppercase letter. Make sure it ends with the right punctuation. Okay? Number 1. Did you see his golf clubs? Did you see his golf clubs? Okay. Number 2. Each block was on the last bench. Each block was on the last bench. Okay. All right. Sentences one more time. Did you see his golf clubs? Each block was on the last bench. Okay, friends. I know this Fundations test was a little challenging, but if you've done your Fundations work like you're supposed to every time I give it and you turned it in, you should have had no problem. If you're someone who doesn't do Fundations work all the time like you're supposed to, then you're going to have problems with this stuff. Make sure you get your work done. So that way, when they test you on it, you have no problems. Okay? You're going to take a picture of your test. Okay? Make sure to have your family send it to me. Okay? By the deadline, please, so I could score it and I can get it back to you. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.